How to log in LinkedIn. So if you want to log into your LinkedIn account, then first you need to open up a browser. You need a browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. You can simply go for the search bar and search for LinkedIn. Once you've searched, here you will have linkedin.com. You can click on the first search, and once you click on that, here it will take you to the website of LinkedIn, right? So now you can simply go for sign in, which will be on the upper right. And once you click on sign in, it will take you to this page. So you can continue with your Google, or if you don't have an account, then you can go for join now so that you can create your account. But if you already have an account, then simply enter your email and your phone number. You can enter your email or your phone number, and then you need to enter your password. And once you've entered your email and your password, you can simply go for sign in. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter it and then click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, it will take you to your account. So that's it. That's how you sign into your LinkedIn account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.